Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a free VPN in your computer in a very simple manner. So what we're going to do, we're going to go for into our start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, we'll go for the network and internet and then go for the VPN section over here. After that, VPN connections, click on add VPN. And from here, I will going to remain the Windows built-in and going to name the connection name called Windows and going to name the server name or address. For that we need our Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser, and from here you just need to type VPN get, click enter and going to open the first website, and from here I just need to select the most maximum powerful connection. The first one called public VPN 8.1 open gateway.net. So for that it's about 1530.34 Mbps. It's very fast. So I'm going to select it. So for that there is another VPN that's called 2755.47. So I'm going to go for this one. So I'm going to copy this like this and going to paste it here like this. After that we're going to VPN type, make it as SSTP, secure socket tunneling protocol. Click on that and going to give the username and password. So if you come over this website and from here you will get this, you may connect to this VPN server with username VPN, password VPN, as you can see. So we will going to give the username called VPN, give the password VPN and click save. And that's it, you created the VPN. So now for showing you, right now my IP address is like show my IP. Click on that. I click on show my IP address. As you can see, my right now IP address is 103.92.214. If I now going for to connect this VPN over here, call connect. And as you can see now it's connected, and now if I'm refresh my browser right now, and as you can see right now my IP address is completely changed, and now I am from a different country called Japan, Tokyo, Philly, Toyota, and the different everything is going to different over here, as you can see. So that's it. This is how we can simply create a VPN for securing your privacy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.